missing that outfit.
What's the point? Just keep your eyes on these suits.
Don't look away no matter what.
Okay. Oh. We'll raise this flag when we're about ready for it to detonate.
I'll drop it. You count to 5 and push that thing.
Right. Now, we won't drop it until we're well out of blast range. You're going to be safe here.
8 years of nitro wrecked and double asbestos.
Hey, this asbestos is thick enough to keep the heat out till we can plant it.
Well, all the hot metal and debris have been cleared, Mike. There's nothing left to overheat.
What about Keller?
Well, he's bringing the crane into place now to cap it well.
Now, look. Hold these wires right here. There's a lot of strain here when we start to pay out.
All right.
Now pick up the nitro. That's it. Easy now, easy, easy.